Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anupriya, and as you all know that today I'm gonna talk about the 5 books that I desperately want to read. So yeah, let's start the video. So I don't have the books guys, so I will be giving the photos here. Okay, I hope you will not mind. So yeah, let's start with the first book. So the first book is The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, and the reason why I want to read this book is because I have read this name of the author in one of the book, and that name of the name of that book is uh, Norwegian Wood by Murakami. Okay, so I read his name in that book, so I thought of reading at least one of his works and one of his novels. So I chose this, The Great Gatsby. Okay, so this was the reason, and the second reason is that it's based on American people, and other reason is also that I have read somewhere that this book was not initially so popular, but after some time people recognizes this book and they found it very interesting, and I want to know that reason why it became popular after some time. Okay, so this was the reason. So I don't know the summary of, or we can say a story of any of these books that I am mentioning here, because I do not like reading or getting any idea before reading a book completely, because I feel like it takes my interest out of that book and I feel lazy when I go through that book. So this is the reason. So yeah, let's come to the second book. So the second book is written by Gaur Gopal Das, and the name of that book is Life's Amazing Secrets. Now the name catches my eyes, so this was the first reason, and the second reason is that I am a big fan of this monk. Yeah, Gaur Gopal Das is a monk, so I'm a big fan of his because I used to watch his videos. Once I was watching a video and I got his video in my suggestion list, and I clicked that video and I watched that completely. After that, I again watched his another video and another video. Like that, I started watching his video. I was so interested in his video, and I am also, because he give a lot of value in his 2-3 minutes video. So if you are also interested, you can also go and watch his video. The name of his channel is Gaur Gopal Das, and if possible I'll also give the link of his video in the description box. Okay, so let's come to the third book that I really want to read, and the name of the third book is Rich Dad and Poor Dad, and it is written by Robert Kiyosaki. So why I want to read this book is because uh, I want to know about finance. I want to get some idea about these things, because I'm in the age between 20 and 30, and I think we should, the people who are in this age should get some idea related to this, because we came to know about our aim, we came to know about the field we want to go. So it's very important to know about the finances also, how to manage money, because there are the time when we get our first salary and we started spending it, and there are many things related to that. So I thought of reading this book, and I feel my age is the correct time because I am in the early 20s. Okay, so yeah, this is the reason I am choosing this book. Now the fourth book that I want to read is Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. Yeah, and this is not an extraordinary book, guys, but I want to read because yeah, I read the summary. Okay, not summary. I read the review of this book, because I was not having a single idea of this book, because I just heard this name Blue Umbrella and I thought, what will be that in that book? So I thought, because I can't waste money on buying books, and I am a medical student, so I have to buy medical books also, and they are very expensive. So I can't waste so much money on buying books. So that's why this is the reason I read the review of this book. So yeah, so it's a simple story, but in that story it is told that everyone have some kind of dream, or we can say everyone wants something. So it's based on this particular word, everyone desires something, and how to get there is a character in that story who wants want a blue umbrella. Okay, so she sold her necklace to buy or to get that umbrella. So I want to read how the author has written, how the author has made this book so popular by his writing. So this is the reason. Now let's come to the fifth and the last book that I want to read, and that is Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse. Now this book is something that I wanted to read from my early school time. Okay, but somehow I didn't read this book because I don't know actually, because maybe that one of my friend was reading that book, but we lost some connection. But or the other reason is that I have never read a single book apart from my academic books. So I was hesitating. Maybe I don't know what is the reason, but I didn't read any single book apart from my academic books in my school time, and I do not regret about that, but I should start reading. If I wish I could read that at least 1-2 books in a year, because reading books gives us a lot of inspiration, a lot of learning. So yeah, this inspires me. And another thing was, it was my childhood dream to read other books also. So that's why I'm reading these times. I'm utilizing my COVID lockdown time. Okay, so yeah, let's come back to the video. So this was the reason of reading Siddhartha, and the second reason is that I want to know how he get the self enlightenment and all. So yeah, this was the second reason, and this is all I think, and the video is going long and I don't want to make it, and light has also gone. So yeah, let's end this video, and thank you so much for watching. And one more thing guys, that if you want these 5 books, I will give the link in description. And if I will not buy these books guys, then I will choose Audible. Now this is an app which gives us a 1 month free trial. I am not sponsoring or anything. I am not doing that because I'm an initial YouTuber. Okay, you can understand that. So yeah, I will choose that because I can't spend so much money on the books, as you know. Okay, so yeah, this was it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.